Hi, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix the common problem on your garage doors. So this morning I woke up and here's the situation. I close the door and while the door is going down, instead of staying down, it automatically goes up. So what's going on? So don't panic, I'll show you how we can easily fix it in a couple of minutes. I have a LiftMaster door opener. So if you have this problem, the first thing I would suggest, open your garage door opener and to see what's going on. So first thing, what I would do is, you have those two adjustment screws. They adjust how far your door will go up and down before stopping. This corresponds on the outside to those holes up and down. So turn it clockwise or counterclockwise depending on what you need. So in my situation, I noticed that this wheel that comes from the motor basically works this way, but this way it just skips the turns. So what I've determined is there's a big possibility that those two wheels are just worn out. I ordered the new kit. I ordered this part with brand new gears, and those gears are much wider than what I have already. And also I ordered the new other gear, and I already checked it with my caliper, compared to the old one, and it is couple of fraction of millimeters wider. So I'm gonna replace this, and hopefully this is the solution to my doors not closing where it's supposed to. So now all I have to do is just swap those parts, remove those ones, and I'll do the test. I'll show you if it works. So now I have already replaced this whole board with the sliders. So I can already see that the gears are much better shape. And the last step is just to secure this. So I have to push the pin to lock it. Just like that. Okay, and now both gears should be locked properly with no gaps. I can already see that there is no gap. Before I had a huge, maybe not a huge gap, but there was a little gap in between both gears. I don't see that anymore. So I'm going to apply the grease that was supplied with one of those kits, and I'm gonna do my test. Remember to put the grease between both gears and on top of those plastic gears, because this is special grease that will lower the friction between both materials. Now before you turn everything back on again, make sure your adjustments is done, at least on the doors going up. So if this is going to go out, that means my door is still gonna be going up. When this is gonna touch this contact, then the door will stop. So right now I need to open my door, so this will have to go a little bit up. I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna keep adjusting until I'm gonna have the door opening exactly when I want it to stop. So now the only thing that it's left to do is just adjusting those knobs. As you can see, my problem was worn out gears on the traveler guides, and this was causing those traveler guides to malfunction, and they were pushed either this way or this way too much. That's why the door was stopping at the wrong spot. So now what I have to do is readjust my doors. As you can see, my door is closing a little bit too high right now, so I'm just gonna go and readjust it. Push a couple of turns a little bit lower, and we'll see how this is going to affect it. And I also need to open my door a little bit higher, because right now it's a little bit too low. So it is a little bit too low, so I need to make probably 1 or 2 turns up. So let's go again. Still, I need to make some adjustments. So you got the idea, turn it in and out, and your door will close finally without any problems. Check your gears every couple of years, put lubricant on them, and this will last you for the next probably 10-15 years without any problems. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.